Hey guys, sorry for the delay. We're live at 9:28, battling for. I'm going to copy the list on my way up here, but we're battling for John's Shockwave figure, who's awesome Transformer. There he is with his weird British accent, ready to go, or whatever kind of accent he had. I don't remember. I just remember it sounding weird as a 5-year-old. Gonna paste it in there, 1 through 30. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 10. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Awesome Transformer. Good Toy Appreciation Weekend's all about. Jay takes round 1. Brandon 2 and 3. Robert 4 and 5. Brandon 6. Eric 7. Eric 8. Brandon 9. And our winner is Beetlejuice in at number 2. Congratulations, Beetlejuice. Verification code QJJBXA. Beetlejuice in at number 2 is the champion of John's Shockwave. I'm done at 9:30. There it is. Not quite sure what happened there. Oh, there it is. I am done at 9:30. Again, here's the verification code, official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.